Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we've got the numbers. Yep, the numbers from Net Applications that is telling us that the October 2018 update is now on 26.4% of Windows 10 PCs. So if you're wondering why don't I have it yet, well, you're probably in the 66.3% still on the April 2018 update or version 1803. So still a majority of all of you are on the April 2018 update. Now there's an interesting observation, and Net Application itself has actually given out a interesting observation on this. They think that Microsoft has stopped and doesn't want to really push the October 2018 update anymore. And because they're very, very close to the April 2019 update, the October 2018 update is now kind of not really important to them anymore. So most of you probably will skip the 1809 version from the October 2018. So this is kind of an interesting observation. So of course, it's not that it's not rolling out anymore. It's just rolling out so slow. I mean, this is only 5% more than it was last month. It's surprising. I would have thought, they would have pushed it real hard and they would have gone to like 50% plus. I would have seen a 50% here and I would not have been surprised, because I would have thought they want to rush this thing, make sure that everybody has it before we're moving on. It's obvious that they don't really want to do that. So, a lot of you have had this new version of the October 2018 update in the past couple of weeks, but obviously the majority of you guys still are on the April 2018. So that means that for a lot of you, what you'll see and what you'll get is the next version. And so in April or May or June or somewhere, you might see appear the version 1903 instead of 1809. You'll just jump over one version. And once again, like I said, a lot of people are under the impression, well, if I jump over a version, won't there be any problems because it's missing a version? No, these are complete reinstalls. Each version, each new feature version, as they call them, are autonomous. They install by themselves. They are a full Windows install. They don't need a previous install to actually install. They can just install, and that's it. So the majority of you, if you're still wondering, are still on 1803. And of course, for the most part, a lot of you will jump. If you're wondering where you are, simply go to your search for Cortana, type Winver, W-I-N-V-E-R, and here you'll be running the command for Windows version, and you'll see where you are. And of course, I'm at 1903, version build 18362, but you guys should see 1803, which is, I don't even remember, I think it's 17134 if I'm not mistaken. Dot something. So it seems that a lot of you are going to jump over a Windows version and go directly to the 1903 version for the April 2019 update, when it will be available and if there's no big problems like there was. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.